Okay, guys, I put this off. I'm sorry for doing that. Some of you called me on it, and I just want to bring it up and real quick and show you what we got about sealing the doors. Okay, we built these garage doors, had a great response to building it. Others built a ton of them, so I kept getting asked about sealing the doors. So I'm going to show you this real quick. On the inside of the molding where the door comes in, I use an inch by inch foam. I'll have the links in description and all that for you if you like. Got it inside the center. And on the bottom, I use the rubber floor. Now you can use adhesive to put this down, but I didn't. It stays, so not gonna worry about that too much. But, yep, this works really good. And that's, like I said, that's how I sealed this door all the way around. But I just want to throw this video out real quick. Like I said, I'll have links in description for any of the foam and so forth. And this is how I did seal the door. So again, I apologize. Thank you for reminding me. I put it on the back burner and well, that flame went out. So, but this is it, guys. I appreciate it. That's how I sealed it. Let me know if you have any more questions.